This campervan is just winning all the awards. It won the 2023 award for being the best campervan of the year. Not just that, it also won the award for the best fixed-bed campervan in 2023. Special interior height, a very rare bathroom, and an award-winning bed setup. It has it all. But the question is this the coolest campervan ever built? Let's take a look.
Motorhome luxury.
This is the Globe Traveler Voyager Z, which starts at a base price of around $110,000 and goes all the way to around $125,000, depending on the extras you choose. At the very first glance, it is clear that the Voyager isn't your typical old-school campervan. Coming at a length of 20.8 feet, this is your extra-long campervan that's spacious enough to give you all the comfort and mobility you need inside. But at the same time, it's compact enough to be easily parked. At the front, the Voyager Z catches your eyes much quickly as compared to other vans because of its bulky appearance, all thanks to the extra high roof design. The Voyager sits on the Fiat high-roof chassis and comes with a powerful 180 horsepower engine that can take you to places without any hiccups. The extended roof increases the interior space massively. With the interior height being 6.35 feet at the lowest point in the campervan, you can imagine the headroom you'll be getting in this campervan. But does that mean that the bathroom is spacious too? Well, that's another secret the Voyager carries with it, but we'll talk about it in detail as we step inside the van. For now, let's head to the passenger's side. The passenger side clearly exposes the extended length of the campervan and looks absolutely stunning with the innovative color designs Globe Travelers has offered its customers. You have the passenger's door, windows, and heated side mirrors for better visibility. Moving forward, you have the main entry door that comes with its own set of special features. As always, we'll talk about it as we're going to step inside the campervan. For now, let's move forward and take a look at this amazing awning setup that provides you with wonderful shade to sit under. This is a manual awning that comes with built-in LED lights and support legs so it can withstand heavier winds. You know the fun part? You can brighten or dim those LED lights from a remote. Up next, you have a Shore power cord that lets you connect to a direct power supply and charge your campervan batteries for longer off-grid adventures. Speaking of off-grid, the Voyager Z also comes with 4 solar panels of 50 watts each installed on the roof that extend your off-grid capabilities much further. But it's now time for the section that holds the real fun: the back of the Voyager Z. The 2023 model of the campervan has been completely redesigned and looks much bulkier and curvier. The rear panel includes taillights, a rear-view camera, and a towing hitch at the bottom that lets you carry smaller vehicles with you. But here's the best part. It also has a rear storage garage which, when opened, exposes you to a tremendously large storage space where you can keep different sorts of items quite easily. This garage also narrows down and directly connects to the interior, allowing you to access it from the inside as well. There are further compartments on both sides of the garage. One compartment houses the 200 ampere-hour lithium-ion batteries, while the compartment on the other side houses propane tanks for your kitchen usage. Heading to the driver's side, Globe Travelers have kept this side equally minimal as they've done with the passenger's side. At the back, you have a freshwater tank fill that can store up to 22.5 gallons, and the gray water tank can hold 24 gallons, offering you pretty decent off-grid capacity again. Coming forward, you have the disposable toilet cassette that's super easy to dump. All you need to do is take out the cassette, open the valve, and dump the waste. Oh yes, and re-clean it. By the way, do you prefer toilet cassettes or a wastewater tank for the toilet? Let us know in the comments. Moving ahead, you have the driver's door, windows, and the side mirror, the same that we saw on the passenger's side. Let's now take a look at the main entry door and the special features it holds. The Voyager Z comes with a sliding entry door that opens to give you a perfect look at the interior living room. But before we head inside, there are some interesting things to look out for. On the exterior part of the kitchen countertop, you have a big storage compartment that allows you to keep different sorts of items, from food packets and cushions to even your shoes. Down below, there's also a table fixing spot that lets you attach the table from the dining booth on the exterior in case you're trying to cook outside. On top of all these things, the entry door also comes with an electrical assistive step that makes your entry so much more convenient. Well, what are we waiting for then? Let's quickly get inside the Voyager Z and see the amazing features that have won it the award for the best campervan in 2023. Stepping inside, you instantly feel the luxury and the premiumness of the campervan. The whole area feels spacious, well-lit, and superbly organized, thanks to the brilliant layout design by the company. One of the key elements that strikes you instantly is the double flooring that you usually get in expensive Class A motorhomes. This ensures better insulation, more protection, and higher durability. Right in front of the main entry door lies the dining setup. The dinette includes a two-seater comfortable sofa, which can also be replaced by two sofa chairs, along with a removable table in the middle, which can be extended to serve more people. Both the captain chairs in the driver's cabin can swivel toward the back and become a part of the dinette, offering you plenty of space for up to 4 people. On the sidewall, you have cup holders, mobile charging ports, and a beautiful window giving you an exterior view. There's also plenty of storage in the living area. Whether you're talking about the compartment on the sidewalls or the under-the-floor hidden storage compartment, which is actually intended to store your dining table when you don't need it. Looking up at the ceiling, there's also a skylight along with plenty of LED lights, enhancing the overall vibe of the campervan. But there's something even more interesting than that. Usually, in campervans of this size, you get a cab-over single bed that hardly fits an extra person on board. But not anymore. This award-winning Voyager Z comes with a cab overhead bed that can be extended and converted into a spacious double bed, offering you a whole lot more space than you'd usually get. This isn't a survival bed. This is luxury. This bedroom is well lit with LED lights all around, lots of storage space, charging ports, and heating. To climb the bed, Voyager gives you a solid ladder as well, which can be easily stored in the rear garage and accessed from the inside as well. The kitchen sits right across the dinette, and it's another very interesting place. It's got a 2-burner gas stove, a Dometic sink with a faucet, and plenty of soft close drawers and cupboards to store your things. You also have a 3.2 cubic foot small fridge with a dedicated freezer compartment. A small yet crucial feature here includes the upper storage rack built on the sidewalls that stores everything so peacefully and safely. It's now time for the big surprise. The bathroom. Quite similar to the overhead bed, you usually get a wet bath setup in a campervan of this size. That is a cramped setup where you have to struggle for every single movement. But with the Voyager Z, that's not the case. This campervan comes with a separate shower and a toilet, which not only makes everything so much more comfortable, but also allows different people to use the shower and toilet at the same time, meaning more convenience. The shower is a neatly finished space with the shower head. The toilet is equally good and includes multiple storage cabinets, a beautiful sink, and a mirror as well. Plus, the bathroom comes with a door that gives you the privacy you need. Let's come to another feature for which the Voyager Z won the award: the best fixed bedroom setup. Yes, those flexible beds are good, but not for everyone. This Voyager Z comes with a fixed twin bed setup at the back that looks stunning. Beneath the beds, you have so much storage. Between the beds, there's a storage compartment that can serve as your go-to closet, handling your clothes in the best way possible. As you open the compartment on the left side, it gives you direct access to the rear garage, making your life so much easier and convenient, but it is a bit small. The whole bedroom area is well lit with LED lights, storage compartments on the sidewalls, a TV mount right in front of the bed, and even a skylight and windows on both sides. Also, if you feel that the bed looks short, there's a sliding tray that comes out, and then you can put an extra cushion on that, making the bed even more spacious. So, do you think this Voyager Z is the coolest campervan ever built? Let us know what you think in the comments. If you're interested in a campervan with an even bigger bathroom, click on this video and we'll see you soon with a new luxury motorhome.